wonder if superheroes exist in the real world? Well, brace yourselves because they do in the animal kingdom. Picture this: an Earth brimming with creatures exhibiting extraordinary powers, abilities that stagger the imagination and leave us wide-eyed in awe. This isn't a flight of fancy or the plot of a comic book. It's a reality, as tangible as the ground beneath our feet. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey, exploring the world of animal superpowers. From gravity-defying feats to dazzling displays of camouflage, these are not just tricks or illusions. These are real abilities evolved over countless generations that help these animal superheroes survive and thrive in their environments. It's a countdown that's guaranteed to thrill, astonish, and inspire. So buckle up, because the world is far more extraordinary than you could ever imagine. Ready to meet these real-life superheroes? Let's dive into our countdown. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have the gecko. These small lizards possess a superpower that would make even the most seasoned rock climber green with envy. Picture this: you're a gecko, scurrying up walls, dashing across ceilings, defying gravity as if it's just another day at the office. But how do they achieve this gravity-defying feat? The secret lies beneath their feet. Geckos are equipped with millions of tiny hair-like structures on their toes. These structures, called setae, create a type of physical bond known as van der Waals forces with the surfaces they touch. This allows them to stick to almost any surface, even smooth glass. It's like having your own personal set of suction cups, but way cooler. Plus, they can turn the stickiness on and off at will. Imagine the possibilities if we humans had the same ability. Geckos defying gravity one climb at a time. At number 9, we have the electric eel. This creature is a living, breathing battery that literally shocks its prey into submission. It's not just a clever name, folks. The electric eel truly does generate a powerful electric shock, and it uses this shock for both hunting and self-defense. Just imagine you're a small fish swimming along minding your own business. Suddenly you feel a jolt of electricity, and before you know it, you're dinner for an electric eel. This shock isn't just a little zap either. It can be up to 600 volts, which is 5 times the power of a standard wall socket. And it's not just for hunting. If a predator tries to make a meal of the electric eel, they'll get a shocking surprise. This eel is a master of self-defense, using its electricity to deter any would-be attackers. Electric eels, shocking, isn't it? Starfish takes the 8th spot on our countdown. These remarkable creatures are true marvels of the underwater world. They possess an astonishing ability, a superpower if you will, that sets them apart from most other animals on the planet. Starfish can regenerate. Yes, you heard that right. They can actually regrow lost arms and even entire bodies. Imagine losing an arm and then growing it right back, good as new. That's daily life for a starfish. This incredible regeneration process is possible due to their complex vascular system and the fact that most of their vital organs are located in their arms. If conditions are just right, a single lost limb can even grow into an entirely new starfish. This near immortality makes them one of the most resilient creatures under the sea. It's a fascinating testament to the wonders of nature and the adaptability of life. Starfish, the masters of regeneration. At number 7, we have the chameleon. Now, here's a creature that's truly a master of disguise. The chameleon, a unique type of lizard, possesses an incredible ability to change the color of its skin. This isn't just some party trick, though. Chameleons use this superpower for survival. When they sense danger, they can quickly blend into their surroundings, making it difficult for predators to spot them. This color-changing camouflage keeps them safe in the wild, where survival is the name of the game. But that's not all. Chameleons also use their color-changing abilities to communicate. That's right, they can express their emotions and intentions by changing the pattern and color of their skin. If a chameleon is feeling calm, it might show off a light green color, but if it's agitated or excited, its skin may turn into a vibrant mix of reds, yellows, and blues. So, there you have it. Chameleons, the ultimate color changers. Coming in at number 6, the peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon, a bird known for its unbelievable speed, holds the title as the fastest animal in the world. When hunting, these birds perform a high-speed dive known as a stoop, reaching speeds in excess of 240 miles per hour. Can you imagine that? That's faster than most sports cars. The peregrine falcon uses this incredible speed to its advantage during hunting. They fly high into the air, scanning the ground for prey. Once they've locked onto a target, they tuck in their wings and dive at an astonishing speed, catching their unsuspecting prey off guard. Their speed isn't just for show, it's a critical part of their survival. It allows them to catch fast-moving prey like pigeons and ducks, making them formidable hunters of the skies. And that's the peregrine falcon for you, proving that speed really does kill. Peregrine falcons, the speed demons of the skies. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we have the immortal jellyfish. Now, this is no ordinary jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish, or Turritopsis dohrnii as it's scientifically known, has a mind-boggling ability that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. When it comes across harsh conditions or after reproducing, this jellyfish can revert its cells back to their earliest form. Think about it for a second. It's like turning back the hands of time to when you were a baby, but for this jellyfish, it's a fact of life. The jellyfish then regrows, effectively starting its life cycle anew. This fascinating biological process means that potentially it can live forever, barring disease or being eaten. Immortality, a concept we humans can only dream of, is a reality for this tiny sea creature. It's an amazing display of nature's wonders, showcasing the possibilities of life and survival. Immortal jellyfish, the forever young of the ocean. At number 4, we have the mantis shrimp. Now, this is no ordinary shrimp. The mantis shrimp is a true marvel of nature. Hailing from the depths of the ocean, they are renowned for their extraordinary punching power. It's not the size of the creature in the fight, but the size of the fight in the creature, as they say. Imagine a tiny creature no bigger than your hand, yet possessing a punch so powerful it can shatter glass. Yes, you heard that right. The mantis shrimp's punch is so quick and forceful that it can break through aquarium walls. This is due to their specialized claws, which they can whip out with the acceleration of a .22 caliber bullet. The punch is so fast it boils the water around it, creating a shockwave that can stun or even kill its prey. This shrimp is a true heavyweight champ, but instead of boxing rings, its battleground is the deep blue sea. Mantis shrimps, the heavyweights of the sea. Coming in at number 3, the axolotl. This fascinating creature hailing from the mystical waters of Mexico has a superpower that might leave you astounded. It's not about strength, speed, or flight, but about the incredible art of healing. Yes, you heard it right. The axolotl is a master of regeneration. Imagine if you could just grow back a lost limb or even a part of your heart. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But for the axolotl, it's just another day in the life. This amazing creature can not only regrow its limbs, but also parts of vital organs like its heart and even its brain. It's like they have their very own natural reset button. This remarkable healing power is something that scientists are studying closely, hoping to unlock the secrets and apply them to human medicine. Just think about the possibilities. Axolotls, the ultimate healers. At number 2, we have the tardigrade. Meet the tardigrade, a tiny creature with an arsenal of survival skills that's nothing short of extraordinary. Nicknamed the water bear, this microscopic marvel can endure conditions that would extinguish most life forms. From the crushing pressures of deep-sea trenches to the airless expanse of outer space, the tardigrade simply refuses to be defeated. But how does it pull off such feats? The secret lies in a process called cryptobiosis. When faced with extreme conditions, the tardigrade goes into a state of suspended animation. It shrinks down and forms a protective shell, essentially becoming a lifeless husk. But don't be fooled. Inside that shell, the tardigrade is very much alive, just waiting for conditions to improve. Once it's safe, the tardigrade rehydrates, revives, and goes about its business as if nothing happened. It's an astounding display of resilience that truly sets the tardigrade apart. Tardigrades, the universe's ultimate survivors. And finally, at number 1, the mimic octopus. This master of disguise takes shape-shifting to a whole new level. Living in the shallow waters of Southeast Asia, the mimic octopus has a truly unique superpower. It can transform its body to take on the characteristics of various sea creatures, all to avoid predators. Imagine being able to change your appearance on a whim. That's the reality for this incredible octopus. One moment it might be a flatfish slithering along the ocean floor. The next, it could morph into a lionfish, displaying venomous spines to scare off potential threats. It can even mimic a sea snake, hiding 6 of its legs and waving the remaining 2 in a menacing display. But it's not just about looking the part. The mimic octopus also adapts its behavior to match its chosen disguise, making the illusion all the more convincing. The mimic octopus, the ultimate shapeshifter. And that concludes our countdown of amazing animal superpowers. Which one amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below.